Hi folks. Well, it's our last day today and we're sat out in the sunshine because it is sunny. Mike's just joining me.
Oh, that sun is nice.
Yes, I told you I'd put us both in. You have to be in this little corner though.
Yeah, well.
So one thing about this place is we're on the wrong side of the sun. The sun's over there, and because it's still quite low, because it's still early in the year, it really doesn't reach the balcony here. It's just a thin slither. So we're having to squish against the railings here to actually be in the sun, but it's still nice. So we thought we'd just let you know we're not doing anything today. We are sitting round after we've packed up. We're loading the car because, believe me, it's a work of art loading the car with all the stuff that we need for the dogs. It's almost what we need for my mum. And we're going to just have an early meal and then have a soak in the tub again, and then hopefully an early night and get our caravan. So super excited. Fingers crossed everything goes to plan. We don't know whether it will, but hopefully it will. You got anything to add?
I knew.
Okay, speak to you in a bit. We're nothing if not determined to sit out in this. The sun's gone in, it's cold. Feet are wrapped up in a blanket. Big chunky jumper back on.
Please, yeah.
Yeah. But we're outside and living in hope that the sun might come out. I'll show you the sky.
It's blue bits. Just from the bubbles where the sun is.
Not holding out much hope. Mike's the same, look, wrapped up.
Got our stereo system working, which makes me phone in the pan.
Full of modern technology we are.
Stops it sounding tinny. You can put a phone in the pan. Kids taught me that one.
Well, we've just had a cup of tea and scone, whatever you want to call it. The scones have gone, so they're a scone. We're aiming for that again later today.
Yes, that's
Car is all but packed up, and apart from the crates have got to go in. Crates are the hard one. Big dogs. Never had little dogs. Well, tell a lie, I've rescued quite a few little dogs, but never been out and had a little dog. Rescued quite a lot of doggies, to be honest, but only ever bought German Shepherds because I have a big thing for German Shepherds. And these two now, we probably should have stuck at one to be sensible. But I'm not going to lose my little girl. She was the last in. Look at her down there. She's an absolute dream. I love her to bits. The big boy, I love him as well.
She's got chops.
Yeah. Willow's got chops. I love chops. Chops is where you can cuddle the chops like this, and they've got big floppy jowls. She's just cuddly. She's an extremely cuddly girl. So, before my teeth start chattering, I think we might need another warm drink, don't you think?
Yeah. Hot whiskey.
Oh no, there we go. That's sounding pretty good. Hot whiskey.
We haven't got lemon and green.
We've got ginger beer. Does ginger beer count? It's still cold.
Your feet, do you finally see what you're missing? You're just one lost soul here to break the mold. When you see me, do you believe in a higher love? Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on the better days, and the sun will come up again. 'Cause you brought me the sun. Finally let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on the better days, and the sun will come up again. 'Cause you brought me the sun.
Hiya, baby.
Happy honeymoon, sweet pea.
Yeah.